Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport. Got something from our original heritage here and pretty close to home for GM Motorsport. It's not a commie, it's a Torana! Pretty neat piece of work. Igor's done all the work himself. Immaculate job. Come to us for an engine, and it's got Haltech in it. And yeah, works quite well. We use Motec, we use Haltech. We predominantly tune factory ECUs here. But Igor had the Haltech and wanted us to do it, so that's what we did. So if it's got a Haltech in it, it means it's probably got something special in it. So it's got a 6 litre with GM Motorsport square port CNC heads, V3.5. It's got our lovely emblem here. Turbo Smart, fuel reg, all the good goodies. He's done a very nice job on the car. You know, it's not the level of that you can't drive it all, but it is a pretty cool car, and how he's done it. He takes a lot of pride in his work, does it all himself. We'll come through and we'll show you. So you can see the Haltech. We're just tuning with the Haltech, got a Haltech dash. It's a Rebel Nexus over in the corner, which is over that way. You can see the yellow cable. Turbo 350 with a big stall in it as well. He's done a neat job out the back too. So he's got the EFI fuel cell, batteries, isolator. He's well prepared. He's packed us some spare fuel, and yeah, it's done a nice job. I'll start it up as well. It's got our famous chopper Reid cam in it as well. And you can see it rocket. I had to do a little bit of tuning on the Haltech because the Haltech was too smooth. So we touched her up a little bit as well, give it that low. So what we'll do now, we'll give it a run of the dyno. Just beware, it's got a big stall in it, and it's also no lock-up converter, and it's probably got a small intake. But we'll give it a whirl. It'll be very fast in this light car, and we'll show you what the results are. Pretty close to the 308, mate, but didn't get there. But yeah, very happy with that result. Yeah, it works quite well. 412 rear wheel horsepower through the big converter with no lockup. And obviously we only just got a little pod filter on there. Nothing huge in that way. Beautifully tuned, very happy with that as well. So the Haltech system worked a treat, highly recommend. And you can see with that converter here, as well, so you know it hits pretty hard. It's nearly got 1,000 Newton meters. It's 950 or something like that, and yeah, you can see it's a pretty good result. We'll have a look. So yeah, we'll off the scale there. I'll have to rescale. So yeah, a good result, good gain, and it's carried the power all the way through. So yeah, very happy with it at the end of the day. So guys, not going to say if you got a Haltech, bring it in, because that's not our predominant job, but we do sell Haltech stuff as well. So give us a call for that. And if your car is presented like Igor's with virtually no problems, we're happy to work on your car. Sometimes some of the cars we get aren't worthy for the dyno. Dyno is only the tune part. It's not the engineering part or the parts that go behind it. Obviously we supplied the motor, the owner's put it in. He has done an amazing job realistically to present this car the way it is. So credit to Igor. And as I said, you too can do that. If you aspire, there's plenty of parts out there and plenty of people to do stuff. Doesn't always have to have our exhaust or air intake on it, but they usually do make some more power. Does have our CNC heads. So guys, hope you liked it. LC Torana, big GM 6 litre, It's probably about 570 horsepower at the crankshaft. She's going to be a little rocket ship, so enjoy.